Hi, I am Johnbosco Michael. Actually, many were asking me how I am editing photographs. They ask whether I use any software. They ask. So today, let's see how I am editing photographs. Actually, I edit my photographs in Android mobile only. I am having a tab 10-inch tab. So using that tab, I am editing my photographs. And I am using this Lightroom app to edit it. So Lightroom app actually it comes with some restrictions, and if you pay some 1,500 something per year, I think you will get you can remove those restrictions and you can use it in full mode. So this is the app I am using, and let's see what are all the basic requirements for editing the photograph. So first thing is the light. So always keep your mobile phone automatic light. So that will be helpful for you. If you are adjusting the light, you may not be knowing whether it is in good light or the required light is there or not. You may not be knowing. So you keep it in automatic light so that the photo also after getting edited it will be good. That is one main thing you have to understand, and then you have to see where the sensor is, light sensor in your mobile. So if you cover the light sensor, then it goes dark. So don't cover the light sensor when you are editing the photos. And raw files are not read in this one Android mobile. So raw files, they will be looking like this. A corner will be showing a wheel-like symbol will be there in the corner. So it is not read by Android mobile, but it shows a picture like this. If you zoom it well, you may be thinking that you have taken a blur photograph, or the camera is not good, or the lens is having problems, something you may think. But actually, the Android phone doesn't open a raw file, but it gives a good picture like this to see whether it is in whether the photo taken is somewhat okay or not. We can look by this raw file, but the sharpness you can see only by sending it to the Lightroom app. But Lightroom with restrictions, it doesn't allow raw files to edit. So raw files cannot be edited in a restricted this one Lightroom app. So that I told 1,500 some yearly plan, something is there less than 1,500 only I think. So that one if you pay, it allows you to edit a raw file. And I am using Sony A7R4 and 600 f 6.3 lens. So taking with those lens, that camera and lens in uncompressed raw file, it comes nearly 117 MB. So you can see the details here. So this is nearly 123 MB, and it is uncompressed raw 60.2 megapixel camera. It is. The resolution is given here in pixels 9504 into 6336. So these are the details about this photographer, and also okay. So these are the details, and select this photograph and share it to Lightroom app. So in Lightroom, let's see how sharp the photo is. So it is getting added in Lightroom. One photo successfully imported. So it is opening now. It takes actually it is 123 MB photograph. So it takes some time, really some time it takes to open. Now if you see, you can see there. So it takes some time to open. It's a black drongo. The bird is black drongo. Karichampurvi. It is fully black. So in different scenarios, we take different photographs and different light settings. So according to those light settings, we have to adjust a little bit or increase the light or decrease the light, clarity, sharpness, etc. to bring the photo to life. So this photograph is somewhat good, but it is having some shadow. The light is on the other side. So let's see if I can remove some shadow. This is shadow is also removing shadow. So now I'm getting the details. So this is how you get some details. So before it was fully black, no details is seen on the bird. So raw file editing makes very easy like this. So it is not compressed also. It's uncompressed raw file. So it gives good details. So now the bird detail is seen very well. The feather details. And also you can see the leaves are getting some colors. Before it was very dark. And you see here how it is got some color. And light also is a major thing. So exposure we have to see whether it is okay or not. So exposing too much won't be that good, but I'm reducing the highlight. Highlight reduces the glare light on the photograph. So you can see not that much glare light in this photograph. So anyhow I have reduced it fully. And white also does the same thing. If there is any white, too much of white on the photograph without details, so it reduces that white and try to give some detail. Contrast, as you know, that it differentiates the color, actually nearby colors. So contrast, and black also gives you totally black, and this looks totally different and beautiful thing. Though the bird is not in details, it looks somewhat a beautiful picture. But okay, let us go to those things later. But now, as far as this photo is concerned, let's give some details to the bird. So if you go this side, the bird also gets details. But it looks like the bird is not black, it is somewhat ashy. So not good. Not to adjust more. Okay, let's keep it in 0 itself, or because it is black, so let's keep it in 0 itself. We can remove a little bit more of shadow. So this is the light part, and next we go to the temperature part and colors. This temperature is actually, if you go to negative side, it gives a bluish thing, and if you go to positive side, it gives a yellowish color. And if you want to bring a true color, you have to trust your eyes and the phone actually, because too much left side it gives a bluish color. too much on the right side, it gives yellowish color. So try to keep it somewhat in the middle so that the blue and yellow is balanced. And next thing is the tint. Tint gives a reddish color this side and a greenish color this side. So that also to be kept in a good position so that it is all already it was some 13 I think in raw file. So that let us see later. Vibrance gives a good it actually enhances the color vibrance. Saturation also this side it gives a black picture, black and white like picture, and this side it gives too much of yellowish orange color picture. You can see that. So that also we can increase a little bit so that photo looks a little yellowish. So vibrance is too much, and that also we can control it. Actually, the thing is in wildlife photography, you have to bring the natural colors. That is the major task here. Like fantasy pictures, we can't do too much of coloring and too much of editing in this. So only a little bit of thing to be done, so that we bring out the natural color of the photograph. So this is what I am trying to do. And next thing is the what you see is clarity, dehaze, vitality, and texture. So these four things can be edited here. I don't touch the first and fourth one. Dehaze, if your camera lens is having some fungus or anything, and the photo you get is sharp, but you see some white portion of the photograph, it look like taken in a misty thing or like that. This dehaze helps you. So dehaze gives you a very good picture. That color will get enhanced and it will show you. So the hazy thing will be removed by using this dehaze. I don't want to use it that much, but to bring out a little bit color, one who is looking the photo get some happiness, or that color attracts him or her. So that for that we may do this dehaze and clarity a little bit. So it gives good coloration and great thing to see. And next time we want to this one sharpening, and this restricted format, we can't use the sharpening, radius and detail, masking. All these four we can't use in the restricted some Adobe Lightroom. Only noise reduction, detail, contrast, color, noise, detail, smoothness. So these things only can be used. Let us see this one. First, this radius actually gives some details. So I always keep it in full, and detail also I give full. So I receive some details in it. And this masking, see now you can see some grains on the photograph. So now you see after I do the masking how what happens. So you can very well see that grains got removed. This is a very good thing in Adobe Lightroom. So it removes all the grains actually. And now you can see this how detailed it is. And if I remove masking, is what happens. This much grains are there. So if I do masking 100%, so totally the grains are removed. Some nearly some 80% of the grains are removed. Now next I have noise reduction. So noise reduction also removes grains, but it smoothens the photo. But this noise reduction I do some 40% and see whether it is enough or not. So for me this is enough, because I am not going to zoom this much the bird. So if at all I am only going to crop the bird, then also this is going to be useful. So this much if I crop also we can't see any grain. It is super smooth and super sharp, we can say. But to improve a little bit sharpness, that is detail we can increase actually. Detail up to 100% also we can increase. If you increase again, you can see a little bit of grains coming, but that is not a great problem, because if you crop this much also you can see that no grains you can see, and there is a good detail in the photograph. So this can be done. Don't increase this contrast, because again it will give some grains. Color noise reduction is again it will be having some color noises, the photograph, so that can be removed by this. Same way what you are doing here, same the above thing 40 and 100% if you keep those colors there, now you can see, so that is getting removed. Those are the color noises actually. And smoothness you reduce, otherwise too much of detail loss will be there. So smoothness I reduce it to 2. So now you get a good detail, and grains are also removed. That photo is somewhat good to see. And now if I crop this, it is going to be a very good photograph. And what I think is I have to crop it in a wide manner like this. So this looks a very good photograph, and I love this photograph now. So this is the thing. So if you want to know the difference between the older one and the newer one, just keep one finger on the photograph. So this is what the old one what I took from camera, and this is what I have edited now to bring some colorful photograph. So this is the thing before, and this is what I have done now. So and next thing is, if you have same type of photograph, when you are taking it is in continuous mode, you may get some in 1 second you may get some 10 pictures. So 10 pictures sitting and doing all these things will take a lot of time. So there is an option in this 3 points are there now in the top right side. This one, if you touch that, you can see copy settings. So copy this setting, and if you have a next on a good for go same bird flying with a different wing style, if you have such a photograph, sharp photograph, then you can copy this setting and paste in that one. But you have to bring that photo to Lightroom, and then you have to go to this one, and paste setting will be appearing. If you copy now, then the paste setting will be appearing. So after you paste the setting, it will get the same settings here, and very easily and very quickly you can edit the photograph. So that is one thing. And another thing is, to save this, what I do is share, go to the share symbol, and export, you have to go to export. So while exporting, we can see what are all the file types you have: JPG, DNG, TIFF4, is JPG, and the large available dimension is the dimension I keep. If you want to keep compact, then you can make it compact. The one thing, large available dimension, if you keep, then you can crop it to any size you want. Uh, and one more thing is custom. If you keep custom, you can edit this one long side, how much pixel you want. So according to that, the photo gets enlarged, or you can get a small image or big image according to that. So that is one more thing. 100% quality, the quality will be 100%. So that also you can see under what is the percentage of quality you want. So that thing, and these things you have to edit. And now I do the largest available dimension. I get more options. How it should be, you are going to watch this on screen, or going to print it, or what you are going to do. According to that, you have to select the output sharpening. So I always watch it on screen only. Very rarely I print my photographs. If Someone asked me or if I like to put one on my wall. So this is what I do. Screen output sharpening, screen selected, and this one this one I have selected as sRGB. Pro photo RGB will remove some colors and all. So this is the selected one what I have selected. So file naming is original file naming. And if you come back more, if you want to include watermark also, you can add watermark, customize more option. More option you have seen just now. And if you customize one watermark, it will be added here. So that's the thing. So for now I am not adding watermark. So export as JPG, and if you give this one tick mark, yeah, it will get exported. So this is one scenario that the bird was start getting enough light on it, so we have removed the black shadow on that, and we have done a little bit of coloring and little bit of sharpening, this one noise removal, etc., etc., and we have done got a very good photograph. Actually, what the thing is, you have to remember the real colors actually. So while editing, you have to see whether you are getting the real color. Those things you have to see. So exporting takes some time actually, because this is a very big file. Many this one 20 megapixel cameras will be having only some 40 MB, nearly 40 MB uncompressed raw. So that will be exporting. That will be getting exported fast, but this is nearly 123 MB, so it takes some time. And the JPEG what you get out of this will be some 60 MB file. So export completed. Okay. So next what I am doing is I am going to check it out what I have exported. These are all edited photographs done. Let me see where it got saved. I think it is here in between. Okay, let's wait till it opens, or let us open and see it on this one. Maybe this one. Okay, it got opened. So now let's see the detail of this photo. The photo now is 85 MB it is, and 60.2 megapixels did not megapixel did not come down. So I have taken it in f6.3, 1 by 2500 of shutter speed, and 600 mm, ISO 1000 actually. So in this detail I have taken it. So now if I want to crop it, I can crop it. So now it is open. Okay, so see the details the brother said. So it is really fantastic. You can see the bird is very small in the frame, but after zooming it, you can see a lot of details in it. So the picture is getting struck, I think. On it. On there. So this much only is the photo. The bird photo is very small in this frame, but that too I can zoom to this much and crop it and get a very good photograph of this. So this is how we are editing the photographs. So this is one scenario what I have told. So this way you can try, and I will come with another photograph. So another photograph with another scenario. So how we can edit. that particular photograph. Thank you.